grubby limbs.
Ohayo gozaimasu. Where are we?
Oh, is that right? Okay, sorry. We're in Japan.
Yeah.
Japan. Not quite Tokyo. We're in Yokohama at the moment. We're going to go to Tokyo today. Go to Autobacs, which is a huge Japanese car store. See Tokyo Tower and try and find some cool Japanese cars and go to 7-Eleven.
Let's go to 7-Eleven. Ooh, Japanese writing.
Toyota Crown, another one. Just went to 7-Eleven. What did we get?
I bought some croissants and some churro because unhealthy breakfast. But Jordan actually bought Japanese stuff. He got the iconic wrapped up fish thing, red salmon and salt in the seaweed, like sushi, is it?
Yes, like sashimi kind of stuff.
And then egg and rice. And we're going to try this cold chocolate milk thing.
And that was all under a £5.
Yeah.
Japan. Nice. Where are we? Are we in Blackpool? Blackpool Tower. Big. Ooh. Amazing. What is it, Bridget?
A GR Corolla.
Which we?
Don't get.
Nice. Some funky.
Mazda?
Yeah, MX-5. Could be a Sion, could be a GR86. Go burn out.
Sounded nice.
Nice.
12.
Yeah.
How much? You put your wet wipes in there. Stop.
Love a chimney,
Or your cat can eat out of it.
obviously. Fluffy.
Fat stinky snail.
Fat stinky snail. They go faster snail. No. Flashy lights. Yum. Yum. Ooh. Bayside Blue R34.
Cool.
Next to this is also a Lavore STI, something we don't get. Bridget just tripped over that and I completely missed it. And there's a funky looking BRZ. Good lad.
越える指定車海老名行きが参ります。Through service to the Sultan's One will soon arrive. Please stand behind the yellow line. この列車は4つドア10両です。
Now I'll film you. Yum. Where are we?
Oh, we're at Shibuya. The crossing.
Yay.
It's a bit mad.
IKEA.